everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing the Give Me hair mask. If you're anything like me, my feed on Facebook and Instagram is constantly showing this hair mask, so I thought I have to give that a try. The thing that really annoys me about these hair mask promotions is that they always show you their hair before and after it's washed, and I think obviously your hair's going to look nicer just after you've washed it. Your hair always looks nicer after you've washed it. That's why you wash it. There's been another hair mask promotion popping up a lot lately called Oh Wow, and the before and after is like really matted, disgusting hair, and then it shows you looking silky and shiny. And I think, well, obviously if you wash that, it's going to make like a 95% difference in your hair. Just by washing it with a basic shampoo is going to improve that. So in this video, I'm going to show you what my hair looks like before I wash it, without using a hair mask, with my regular weekly hair mask, and this new Give Me hair mask, to see if there's really a difference. I think it's really important to give the customer a side-by-side comparison when it comes to these things. So here we go. This is what my hair looks like before I wash it. I haven't washed this in about a week. My roots are insane. I'm not dyeing it until I go back to work, but this is the kind of condition it's in. And I've had it in a plate all week, so we'll see what it looks like once I've used the masks and see what one's the best. This is my hair after washing it and not using any hair mask. Every time I wash my hair, I put this in before I dry it, and I'm going to be using this after I use the hair masks as well, just because I always use it and I can't dry my hair without it because it takes out all the tangles and it makes it a lot easier to brush. So I put that in and I've dried it, and I think my hair's in pretty good condition considering I dye it. As I mentioned, I won't be dyeing this until I go back to work. I don't know how long that'll be, but I plan on trying different hair masks once a week. I haven't straightened this, and I won't be straightening my hair after using any of the hair masks because I want you to see what it looks like just from blow drying it. Okay, and let's take a look at the masks. The first hair mask we're going to be using is the 3-Minute Miracle Colour by Aussie. This is $4.99 from Superdrug for 236ml. As suggested, you apply this to the hair after washing, just like conditioner, and leave it on for 3 minutes. It says on the back, damage protect for colour treated hair. Go from dull to dynamite in just 3 minutes. I normally use this at least once a week, so I already have an idea of what my hair is going to look like. But here we go. This is what my hair looks like after the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle hair mask, and I haven't straightened it or anything. This is just finished drying it. Not too bad. Nice and smooth considering it's not been straightened, but as always I've got like wavy bits under here because I don't really dry it properly. But that's just laziness really. Other than that, I think it looks quite good. This is the Give Me hair mask and it's just been delivered. This comes fully sealed with plastic all round it. Please excuse the noise in the background, it's a nice day outside and all my neighbours are doing their gardens at once. That's me just managed to get all the plastic off. You'll probably need scissors for that. As I said, this has just been delivered, and this is normally £15 for 100ml, but I bought it on sale and I paid £9. It was $11.99 including postage. It says on the front, moisturises and revitalises dry damaged hair, smooths and repairs deep conditioning. Give Me's hydrating hair mask blends natural argan oil and coconut oil to provide that smooth and silky feel. The directions for use say apply hair mask on towel dried hair and gently massage into the scalp from root to tip. Allow it to remain on hair for 10 to 15 minutes. Subsequently, rinse thoroughly with water, suitable for all hair types, for external use only. On pretty much every review of this product, the person showed you how to apply this, but I think the instructions are simple enough, so I'll be back to let you see what my hair looks like once it's dried. To be honest, it does feel a bit sleeker, and it feels slightly thicker. I've got naturally really thick hair, but I noticed when I dried it that it does feel slightly thicker, so it could be good if you've got really fine hair. As far as shine goes, I would say it's slightly shinier It isn't blowing my mind with the difference, but I do have pretty healthy hair, I would say. Considering I dye my hair, I think it's in really good condition. It's definitely sleeker and it's definitely slightly shinier, but I already use a hair mask at least once a week, so if you're someone who never uses hair masks, or if you do have really dry, damaged hair, it might make more of a difference. When you look at the side-by-side comparisons, I don't think it's that much of a difference. Let's take a look. I think it's quite clear to see that the Give Me hair mask has definitely made my hair sleeker. These were all filmed in the exact same lighting, although the first one looks slightly hazy. My hair wasn't colour treated in between any of these masks, but you'll notice that they look slightly different colours because it naturally fades over time. Now looking at these videos in a side-by-side comparison, I think it is pretty clear to see that the Give Me hair mask makes my hair look a lot healthier. This is me on the same day after using the Give Me hair mask, and this is about 5 hours after drying it. It's still sleek and it looks as if it's just been washed. Now, at first when I dried this, I really didn't think there was that much of a difference. But then once I seen the side-by-side comparison, I thought, do you know what? It does look a lot better. It definitely feels thicker and healthier. One thing that I was worried about with this hair mask is that it's coconut scented, but it wasn't overpowering, it was just a slight smell of coconut. I can't stand the smell of coconut, but if that's a smell you like, then you'll probably quite enjoy it. After rinsing it out, it doesn't leave a smell behind, so that's good news for me. When it comes to price comparisons, Aussie costs $4.99 for over 200ml, and I've had that same bottle for months, and I normally use it about once a week, so you really do get good value for money. The Give Me hair mask normally costs £15, and then you've got postage to add on top of that. You have to apply it to towel dried hair, so when I was in the bath I was towel drying my hair, and I felt like I really used a lot of it because I really wanted to give it a fair chance, and I got it right all in my roots and I brushed it all through my hair. Then you have to leave it in for 15 minutes, compared to 3 minutes with the Aussie hair mask. For me, it's easy enough to pass that time in the bath. I normally watch Christmas movies, you can shave or do whatever. It isn't really that much a hassle if you're someone who enjoys lying in the bath, or if you're planning on applying the hair mask and then rinsing it out in the shower later. Since this is the first time I've ever used it, I can't say how many uses you'll get, but I would estimate around 3 or 4, possibly 5. But I've got really long hair. If your hair's short, you're probably going to get quite a lot of use out of it. As I mentioned, I got mine in special offer and I paid £9 and it was $11.99 including postage, which I suppose isn't too bad. I always like a discount. If you're thinking about buying this yourself, I would recommend looking out for discounts in future. The next time they have a sale on, I would really like to try some of their skincare products, including the pore strips. To give you a real idea of what my hair looks like after using this hair mask, I went outside and filmed my hair in the sun so that you can really see how shiny and healthy it looks. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. If there's any other hair masks you would like me to try out in future, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Bye! This is what my hair looked like out in the natural sunlight. Obviously there's a vast difference between this and the artificial light in my bedroom. If you have any hair mask suggestions, including DIY hair masks, please let me know in the comment section.